some pachinko. How's that? Well, what, Raj? Anyway, let's see. Can we hit it? Woo! First bonus round of the session. And it's with its soft one. Let's check it out. Let's see, starting off with a 7x multiplan, we also have 10, 15, 20, 40, and 200x and a double. Let's apply the soft slot. Our max multiplier is going to be 400x. Let's go. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best of luck. So, what's it going to be? Let's see. Ooh. 400x, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Thoughts, opinions?